Welcome to Best English Classes. This is Dr. Prateek and today we are going to have an interview with an IELTS aspirant, Bhavya. So your question is, describe a person you only met once and want to know more about that person, who that person is, when you met him or her, and why do you want to know more about that person, and how you feel about that person.
Okay, so generally I don't like to talk with strangers because I found it very difficult to start a conversation.
I find it very difficult.
I find it very difficult to start a conversation as I am an introvert, so I like to be in my own horizon. So it was a time about 5 to 6 months back when I was traveling by train to Bikaner. So I was going to Bikaner from Sirsa. So it was a very long journey and I was pretty much bored, and so I just plugged in my earphones and started to listening music. Then I saw that there was a person besides me. He was very old, and he was struggling with his phone. So I asked him, does he need my help? So he told me that he wasn't able to call his son. So I told him that there was some network issue. You should use my phone. So when he finished his call, then he told me that this phone was gifted by his son on his birthday. He told me a number of things, but the thing I remembered mostly that he told me that he owned 2 clothing stores at his own city, which is maybe Ganganagar. So yes, he told me a number of things about that, how he run his stores and how he started from the ground. So yes, he was the person I wanted to meet in the future.
Okay, you spoke very well. All the best for your exam.
Thank you.